Welcome to Share Fun Vibes, the place for travel tips, news, engaging features, and fun, fun, fun. Russia! FIFA! World Cup 2018. Here we come. We are your exclusive Russia FIFA World Cup Center for 2018. Yes, we are. Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited, in partnership with Road Trips, will take you to Russia. Oh, yes. And of course, no visa required. Direct flights from Montego Bay into Russia. I kid you not. And we have got the steal and the deals on the latest packages and the developments that are absolutely amazing. What? You have not given any thought to go into Russia? Well, now is your opportunity, and this is the time. We have exclusive packages that include accommodation, daily breakfast, transfers to your hotels, match day tickets, travel concierge, and local guides. Yes, you heard it right. You heard it first right here. Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited. We're going to Russia! FIFA 2018 World Cup midday. Some of our hotel partners: Sheraton Palace Hotel, the Ritz-Carlton Moscow Superior Room Accommodation is here for you, my friend. And of course, if you feel like you deserve that layer of extra elegance, we've got the executive suites available as well. But remember, it's limited availability, first come, first sell, and you know this thing is going to sell off. Russia FIFA 2018, here we come. You've got to book now. You need to be following your team. You need to be looking at the group stage, the round of 16, quarterfinal, semi-final, finals, and we've got all your tickets. So you know what you gotta do. It's Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited, 347-757-6728. And of course, digicel from JA, it's 876-527-4098. We are going to Russia, FIFA. Now you all know it's time to call us, it's time to book. We're ready to take care of all your needs. Watch this little clip from our partner, Road Trips. These guys are experts. They know how to make sporting events click, and we've teamed up with them. Russia FIFA 2018. We're all about the fun. Ciao for now.